Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are starting a Patreon for June 2025, Part 3. If you do enjoy the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and also figures for your 3D printing needs. So we got 3D Moon right now. These are figures. If you do a 6 months loyalty, you'll get a Holy Angel Oman. I have it. Haven't printed it yet. I have a lot of stuff that I need to paint first in many ways. And we got Vox Machina Killer. If you never watched the animation for it, you should go check out what you call it. You should check out Amazon Prime to look at that. So we got Aqua and Momo. That's coming up as well. And July's winner. But yeah, I do want to print this one out. What Ashley is really into Kingdom Hearts. Bruno Art, another figure one as well. And for this month, are these four lovely girls? There's Ahsoka, and I don't know where she's from. I think that's supposed to be Black Cat. Not Black Cat. We'll see in the bottom. Barbed Wire, Alyssa Bloodstone, Talia Al Ghul, Bombshell. So that's Talia Al Ghul and Ahsoka. Alyssa Bloodstone and Barbed Wire, I have no idea where they're from. But yeah, check them out. All the links for these will be down below for you guys as well. Azura Studio. This is another figure one as well, mostly for animation. And for this, we got Alyssa and Pascal. Let's see here. Lude Steve. They should have a better looking one. There's this one. That'd be cool if they make a big old bitty version of her. I bet someone already did. It's just I'm not looking hard enough. And this Pascal, I have no know what anime is this from. If you guys do know, please let me know down in the comments below. ES Monster, another figure one as well. That's where I printed the Ada Wong and the Jill shorts that I've been doing so far. So we got Hinata. I think the other one is Jean Grey. Got Batman. I think this is supposed to be Emma Emma Frost. I know this is from Witchblade. That's from Bleach. That's Psylocke. And your welcome one as well. Probably find some more. There's Makoto. It's coming in as well. We got Batman, the flashlight. We got Angela, Anat Ita. I don't know where that's from. We got a collection selection for that. We got Rocketeer. So it was not Hinata, it was Rocketeer. Okay, other one, Emma Frost. This is from the Marvel Rival, the Red Queen. I thought the Red Queen was supposed to be Jean Grey. I don't know, or the Phoenix Force. This one I just printed. This was from last month. There will be more popping out soon. Just keep an eye out for that as well. Next one is Ronin Art. This is figure slash what you call it D&D stuff. You get a lot of other things as well. This is your pinup for the month. Let me check. There we go. That's one. This is the based on this is going to be your proxy for your the Thousand Suns if you're going to do that. That's pretty hot. Other one is I think this is supposed to be the follow up 9 month reward beta lunch. Oh, that's 9 month reward. Okay, we need to go for this month. April pack. We don't want April. We want May. I know you posted up some May stuff. 50. Wow, they haven't posted anything for May. Looks like it. But yeah, this is what May is gonna be. Probably that's April pack. I haven't got a May yet. This is what I got on my mini factory. So, oh no, we're officially on pause. May content drop likely. No June drop later. or early June, we'll be posting another update regarding our return regular month packs. Status: if you get billed, contact us. We'll clear it with the Patreon. Okay. They're having a month pause. Looks like it. Hyperia Studio. Let's. They do figure ones as well. This was for this month. This is from Nika. Got us a victory for it. And I know we're getting an additional one. That's from May. But usually they get one or two extras, and you're gonna get, I think, extra ones as well. That's for June. Now this one, I'm guessing the other one was actually towards May. So if you are able to try to snag these very soon, it'll be, probably be good. Abby, another figure one as well for June. We got Jesse, Ahsoka, Yovana Belova. I think that's supposed to be Black Widow's sister. This is the female Silver Surfer from the new Fantastic Four movie. Mary Jane, Celine, and Makinma, and you got your welcome pack as well. A lot of cool stuff if you're really interested, June, for it. 3D Monji, another figure one, another lewd figure one as well. Queen Blade next month. I got Maya. So we got Mai from Fatal Fury. We also got these ones as well. That's coming. That's already coming out this month. Jessica Rabbit. I think that's Victoria, I believe. A whole bunch of other stuff as well. CA posts figures. They usually pull out stuff like every other week or so forth, like the Elven Beauty for it. We got your bust release that comes with it as well. Let's see here. They do have a big epic X-Men pack, so if you're really interested on getting some X-Men figures, uh, this is probably really good to get. It's like $10 per month, and you get the huge selection of the X-Men's. Dominoes, Magneto, Beast, semi version of the Beast, and you got the Wolverine, Nightcrawler, Savage Jean Grey, not Jean Grey, Savage Rogue, a Juggernaut. I like to print out a Juggernaut. Psylocke, she's always hot in many ways. You also get the Egyptian pack as well. And yeah, sneak peek for June. This will be your June figure that'll be coming out. Toth, the guy, John Wick, whatever. Bleach, Darksiders, I don't know, Dante, Maleficent, and Sailor Jupiter. Yeah, that's all that's coming out for this month as well. Station Forge is a Warhammer proxy. They're gonna add more and more stuff throughout the day. Just letting you know, they have a huge pack of stuff. So we got Tauren melee infantry. So basically like the Tau proxy right there. Grim Guard Officer Horseman for the Imperium. See here, see. This is the June Recycle one. I think this is for the tier for it from my mini factory. But you can see this is the May recap for Patreon, and this is the May recap for state in my mini factory. If you did a tribe one for it. Neko figurines, another figure, anime figure ones as well. I think this one is Luna from Expedition 33. I have not played it. I own it. I got Game Pass on it, and I also got it for the PlayStation 5. I just never had a chance to play it, but one day I will. I heard it's a really good game with what's that time action. I forgot the style of combat. I'm too tired. So yeah, a lot of stuff that you get. You get this month and last month for $10 for this one as well. Taurus Minis post. This is another figure one as well. We got Wonder Woman that's coming up, the old school Wonder Woman. This is Margot that's getting here. Let's see here. Mariner. I think this is one from the cartoon series from the Star Trek. Got a Bathleth from the Klingon, and so forth. I think there's supposed to be one more. I think She-Ra, but I think that's for May, in my idea. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.